Here is a demonstration on how to create Centro forms in Microsoft Teams. After you've installed Centro into your Microsoft Teams tenant, navigate to the Home tab and you'll see several options that will allow you to configure your Centro application. Click on the Centro Forms button and click New Form. Here you can choose whether or not you want the form to connect as the automation user, allowing non-Salesforce users to create or edit records, or set it as connect as user. This will honor the permissions of each Salesforce user, but requires the Teams member to have a Salesforce license. First, name your Centro form. In this case, we're going to say new lead. We then have several options that you may want to use if you want to post the created record to the Teams channel. Here we default in the dynamic channel and record block ID. Then you can choose whether to link to the conversation or link to the thread. You can post an additional message on top of the record block, pin, start a thread, or send as reply. In this case, we're just going to link the conversation and start a thread. We then have a couple of options that allow you to configure the form to meet your needs. So the form label, so I can say this new partner lead. And then I can add some help text. Please enter the new partner lead. And then the confirmation message, thank you. Next, I want to choose the Salesforce object. I'm going to choose lead and click the connection button. This can be done for any custom or standard object or any object that is part of another ISV package. Then we choose a handful of fields that we want to display. Let's start with first name. I can click the add. And then I'll do last name, the plus sign. I can then do company, etc. For lead source, I want to default in some functionality that they don't have to enter. So I'm going to choose lead source, then press the plus sign, and then use these arrows to move the lead down into the hidden section, where I can then type in Teams as my default lead source so that I can ensure that is populated for clean data. Once I am completed, I can then adjust my form by hitting the edit pencil or the arrows to adjust where the field lands on the form, or the trash can to remove the field from the form itself. Once I'm completed, I hit save, and then I've completed a new lead form to create new leads from Teams. Please reach out with any questions.